What's up, everybody? It's your boy Splash Man. I'm still in California, and we got Sales Funnel God right there editing some shit.
It's Gucci.
You want me to include this or no?
Yeah, man, go for it.
Hey, alright. Yeah, he's editing some YouTube videos, but I figured that I'll do a day in the life today because we're gonna be doing some dope shit like visiting a mansion. But actually it's what, almost 4 o'clock, and I can't show you guys what's on the boards, but we've just been working all day. You know, there's nothing much to film. We got some food, but I guess I can film some stuff like this. Let me show you guys some. Boom. Okay, screw the water, but look at all the LaCroix we got. And we already finished half of it already, but the LaCroix right here, got the watermelon, water, more shit. But yeah, we're headed to a mansion very soon. I'm gonna get some more work done, and I'll update you guys when we actually do go to the mansion. So yeah. We in the car now, headed to the mansion. Got Hayden driving, got God in the back.
Yo, this fucking guy next to us is digging for gold heavy up in there for like the last 30 seconds. Like, at what point do you just get it? Like,
exactly. But yeah, I'm wearing the pink shirt again because I need an Instagram picture on that. But for now, enjoy this shit.
works so well because then they're like, oh, where do we sit? The only spot's the bed. And it's got a beautiful view.
Yeah, that. Honestly, I like this a lot.
I grew up in a
Like funny enough, I sleep in the basement. Like every single time I have.
What do you think so far? That's a nice thought. Man, this place is fucking beautiful. Look at that view. That's where I took my last Instagram picture. It's the hills, plant, pools and shit. That's the ocean. We out here.
like look at this shit. Like fucking.
Oh, that's, come on, man.
He goes,
Hey,
"Oh."
over here at all, anyway. The fucking studio, you're not wrong. But yeah, see, like,
True, yeah.
what's up, what's up?
Just missed the sunset, but flamingos lit. Hayden out here doing flips and shit. Vibing. Watch what's up. Alright, let's go. Yeah, man. We ready. Oh! 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 Gonna show you on his Instagram and shit. Alright guys, it is the other day, and you know, this vlog is very short, and there's not that much clip in this because when we actually got to the mansion, I didn't really want to bother the guy and film everywhere and, you know, just bother him. There's some other people that came after as well, but overall it was just a dope experience being in that place, just seeing all that stuff, being exposed to that, because in Toronto I've never, like, that was actually my first time in a gated community, in a gated mansion, all that good stuff. But you know, just want to say thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for subscribing. I really hope you guys have a great day, and you know, I'll catch you guys later. But before I go, let's look at this view. Gang shit.